technically not new, but they're new to me. They're basically getting gutted out and getting redone. I am indeed calling them new taillights because they're new to me. Honestly, going to be such a different setup, and I'm so freaking excited. Obviously know how it's going to look because they're gonna basically be the same, but it's not gonna be the same. It's basically the functions that are changing. So I am revamping my taillights. So right now my taillights are RGB and I could change it. I have this little remote that I could change it, but honestly I don't really find myself even changing the color that often, even for pictures, just because it's like so hard to show up. I've never had like show mode on the taillights that I have right now, which I never really cared, but now I do. Well, I don't, but I do. And I'm excited that I'm going to be getting them now because it's literally going to take the taillights to like a whole nother level, and I'm so excited. You don't even understand. I have to drop off my taillights. I am going to get some temporary ones that Lonzo's going to let me borrow. I'm going to trick people on my Instagram stories that I got rid of them, and I already know everyone's going to be like, no, or they're going to ask me if I'm selling them. But if you guys saw that story, I'm telling you guys in advance, I'm just trolling because I want to be annoying. But no, I could never get rid of my hard taillights, honestly. Like, they're literally me. They're part of my car. So yes, this video is called New Taillights, but trust me, it's going to feel like it's new taillights. But yeah, I'll keep you guys updated on all. Also, what do you guys think about my hair? I like it. I feel like it's going to take me a while, but let me see the...
Yeah, you can kind of see how they're just...
the white.
So you saw, remember how yours were like hella wires and shit? This is like the next version how I did it.
It'll look good.
Yeah, it'll look good.
Saying it's a revamp. What if I'm like, I'll just keep the toms instead? It is kind of off. These are the taillights I'm running right now. These are the toms. They actually don't look bad. I don't like the red. I'm not the biggest fan of all red taillights, but imagine these cleared out. They will look so good on my car. Okay guys, I know it is super dark. I'm about to get to Lonzo's to get my taillights. I'm so excited. I am going to Wekfest tomorrow. That's actually gonna be what's after this portion of the vlog. My car's not gonna be in there, obviously. I barely decided I was gonna go like yesterday, so I never registered my car. But I'm so excited to have my taillights. Back into here, so I'm gonna show you guys all of the modes. And also, he is going to be selling these. Sorry, I'm like trying to back up. So the ones I had got made the first time, he didn't really offer those just because it was a lot of work and it just wasn't worth it. But these will be offered. So if you want to twin me and match taillights with me, definitely check them out.
I can like drag them around, but mainly when you turn them on and off is when you notice them.
Yeah.
Like now.
Oh, that's so cool.
Yeah.
It looks one. That one's so slow, but that one's cute too.
Yeah. So if you don't like which way they turn on and off, that's when we can go in there and like change the direction of which way they go. So like there's so many different
That's
options.
a lot.
Yeah, there's so many different options we can do. We can turn off these three for, if you want just parking on this one, you can do that. And we can make them all. Outside one, section 1, inside section 2, outside of this one, section 3.
Each one? Oh
Each
my
section.
god.
So you can have like the first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The first 6 sections as turn signals, while the last 3 sections are parking light. So many things like this. This is not enough time to go over.
Yeah.
It's too crazy.
I don't even need that complex, you know, just like the simple show more.
Yeah, you're right. That one. So first 2 sections are the smallest ones. Does that make sense, kind of? Two, I think it's that one.
Oh.
Yeah.
Guys, this is a lot. This is a lot to comprehend. Yeah, I see the difference.
Yeah, so you can slow it down too, so it doesn't have to be that fast. You can slow it down so it's more noticeable.
I kind of like those signals. For old setup is getting ripped apart. It's kind of sad.
From the first setup, how many wires there were? It was like a lot of harnesses, right? They've changed so much over the years. Not years, but like they keep changing it up, and this is all you need is this.
Guys, look at this. My camera died, so I'm on my phone, but oh my gosh. The creator, Lonzowerks.
Oh, damn!
They're crazy. This is like nothing.
Dude, that valley is so sick.
This one's sparkle. There's literally so many modes. I could be here for 10 hours. But I think this is my favorite one so far.
Yeah, she can make the outside ones parking.
What are the turn signals? Please tell me. Yeah.
There's brakes right now. They're rotating.
I just unselected, right?
Yeah, I unplugged everything. Yeah. Is it right? Get off the brake. Get off. Very good. Very good. How are your signals?
Oh yeah, how are the signals?
I did show you guys a few of the modes, but there's literally so many that it is actually impossible to show you guys every single mode. Even though with the red they look the same, like they feel like what I had before, but once I get into the app, it is like a whole another level. Honestly, I feel like the camera doesn't even do it justice, but in person they are crazy, and everyone that has seen them is obsessed with them and in love with them just as much as I am. So like, it makes me so happy. Shout out to Lonzo always. Make sure you guys check him out. Lonzowerks. He's gonna be putting these up soon, I believe. We just got here. I'm with Kat. Picked her up off the street. Oh, sorry. We made it. We walked all around. We made it inside. Aiden, where you at? Deer Master.
Oh, dear Wumbo man right here.
I'm obsessed with these colors.
I will pull up in that to get some bitches. Look at it.
Damn.
Am I scared?
This is me and Kat pulling up.
Me and Kat. Me.
Oh yes. Me and Kat. Kat and Kat. We're in the AC. That feels so good. Found Aiden. He's matching his car.
Like it? My mom made me do it.
MTV Cribs. Oh wait, pretend I'm like knocking.
Is he inviting us to play? There are 2 seats.
I think people can, but just like ask.
Fucking don't show this, bro. Don't show my failures, man. Oh.
The other one falls. Look at the headlights.
Guys, just bought this new car.
Just bought this whole lot.
Welcome to my new garage. Bro, the things I would do for this car.
He's late.
Insane.
Count how many times Kat makes fun of me in this video.
Look at the racks in the front.
I took $20 back.
This is cute. Look at all this. Oh wait, scratch the other one. This is me and Kat. Imagine us matching, pulling up from the other angle. This is so nice. What if I just start vlogging like this?
No, I like that. Oh, that thing was fire.
color's really nice with like the pink pearlescent. I got the front and I gotta get the back. I don't know, the windshield's kind of dirty.
It's the tip broke. You don't take those angles. Wait, stop.
Now this is her car too. We're all sharing
My
it.
crib.
You know what you need?
What do I need?
A streetless steering wheel.
Hey, really? I'm down.
Imagine the pink with the blue. Pink and blue. British racing green. Look at the interior. Two Jay-Z swap, E30. Black and yellow, black and yellow. This color. That'd be so nice. In every video, I'm like, I should do the 240 this color.
What's up, Snapchat?
What's up, Snap fam? Wait, I like this color. On camera. What do you think?
I think it's cool. I think it's bitchin'.
You think it's bitchin'? This is so cute. Go. That was so weak.
Come on, baby, what you got for us?
Look at this brown. Go off. If you make it,
Will you buy me like a little thing of candy if I make it?
okay.
If I miss, I have to buy you water?
And me.
And me. No, I'm fine. It's one. I'm just buying her one. Gotta get candy though. Oh.
Do you guys think I can make my gum?
No.
If you make it in, I'll buy you water. Alright. Yo, I got a free water. Let's go.
Wait, I have to buy you one? Sponsored? You just got sponsored by us.
Really? You gonna build my whole car?
Oh no.
Paint it pink?
Wait, is that the one that was in the show?
Wait, lift it up. There. It'll say West Hall.
Right here.
Go take a turn.
Your car's clean.
Wait, I want to give them a sticker.
Wait. They throw it out the window.
Do it out. Yeah, we see it.
Okay. I think he's seen your car. Your car.
Did you vlog that?
No.
You asked it was recording.
It was recording and you handed it to her?
No, you didn't. We are going to Dave's Hot Chicken. I think that's the guy we saw.
Yeah, like that.
Look at all those chickens. Thick. Thickums. Let's go. Shotgun. 900.
I don't care who goes in the middle.
Wait. It's a whole like process to get in here.
You are definitely thinner than I am. We're in the booger car, guys. Woo! Yes, sir. Packed up like a bunch of peas in a booger. Pause. Wait, why did I pause that? Why did I pause?
Bye, car.
Welcome to my crib.
Welcome to her other crib. So this is the top level of her house.
These are all my chicken.
Yeah. Dave's burgers. This thing better be good. I'm just gonna take a bite. I got no coleslaw or pickles, but as long as it's too. I could have done medium.
Done that with like 4 different fries.
Really?
When you took your first bite, I was like, with a french fry, double pickle.
What do you guys rate it?
10 out of 10. So
I think it's like an
8 out of 10?
maybe because I didn't get it.
You rate it out of 10.
like an 8.5?
8.5.
3. No, I like it. It's like an 8.5. You going to put your lip on me, eat it.
Is yours different?
I don't know why I did that. I did it for the vlog.
I'm terrified to go over this thing. Okay guys, I'm actually terrified right now. Okay, here goes nothing. Oh my god. It indeed smells like poop water. I'm just kidding, I don't know. But there is a weird smell here. Not gonna lie. I just washed my car, now it's gonna be so dirty again. But it's okay. I definitely want to get some photos of the taillights here.